Word program or hello world code in PowerShell. First, I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to save it with the extension .ps1. So I'm going to name my file hello. So the extension with the file, the name of the file will be hello.ps1. Then I'm going to write this command, which is write host to print a message hello world, followed, so byte host will be followed by the string hello world, or the hello world phrase between quotes. Now I'm going to save my file, go to the terminal and write pwsh followed by the name of the file, which is hello.ps1, and it will print the hello world message on the console. This is the message printed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.